Hello everyone, welcome back with a very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and you are not able to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18, then here in this video, I will show you how you can easily fix this problem and how you can easily update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So now let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here you will have to scroll down, then tap on general. Then here you will need to tap on iPhone storage, and here make sure that your iPhone has enough storage. So if you don't have enough storage, then here you will have to delete some unnecessary data from your iPhone or iPad device. Here you will have to review your photos, videos and other data, and here you will have to delete some unnecessary data from your iPhone or iPad device, and also review your apps which you have installed in your iPhone device. And here you will have to uninstall some unnecessary app from your iPhone device to avail more storage, so that you will be able to install iOS 18 in your iPhone or iPad device. Because so there will be need of 15 GB to install iOS 18 in your iPhone or iPad device. So must sure that your iPhone has enough storage 15 GB in your iPhone or iPad device, so that you will be able to install iOS 18 in your iPhone device. So after go back and check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Here make sure that your iPhone device is compatible with the iOS 18. So make sure that your iPhone device is compatible with iOS 18. You can check from Google which devices are compatible with iOS 18 and which devices are not. So here I'm using Access. This device is compatible with iOS 18, and the older model than Access are not compatible with the iOS 18. So here make sure that your iPhone device is Access. So your iPhone device is Access or upper model, so that you will be able to install iOS 18 model, so that you will be able to install iOS 18 in your iPhone or iPad device. So if you have compatible device with iOS 18 and still you are having this problem, then here you will have to again open settings, then tap on battery, and here make sure that your iPhone device is enough charge, because low battery can be the reason of this problem. Here make sure that your iPhone device has enough charge, so that you will be able to install iOS 18 in your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, then tap on general, then scroll down, then here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. After that, enter your iPhone passcode, so that after that check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, then scroll down, then tap on screen time. So here tap on screen time, then scroll down here, then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then here you'll have to turn this toggle on. Then after that, here make sure that all the options are allow from here. Then after that, go back, then again disable this toggle from here. Then after that, close this tab. Then here you need to force restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, after all these solutions, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to install iOS 18 in your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon, so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.